Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 features that Google just announced in Google I/O for Android P. So the first feature is gestures, and this is pretty similar to the iPhone X. So now Android P only has a rounded rectangle button and a back button, and if you swipe on this rounded rectangle button, it swipes between your recent apps. Swiping up on this button will bring you to the app switcher, as well as 5 predicted apps that it thinks you might want to use, and a Google search bar. And then if you swipe up again, or you just long swipe in the first place, you'll be able to go to the app switcher. And yes, this works in any app, so that means you'll now be able to access the app switcher from whatever app you're in. And then if you want to get back home, you just tap on the rounded rectangle button and that brings you home, which is actually something that I was saying that the iPhone X should do. And number 2 is adaptive brightness. So this uses machine learning to actually adapt the brightness to your preferences. So at first when getting Android P, you're probably not going to notice any difference, but as you continue to adjust the brightness manually alongside the automatic brightness, your phone will start to learn those adjustments and will start to make them for you. So eventually the objective is to make you not have to manually adjust the brightness at all, because the phone will just know what you like. Number 3 is proactive features. So as I said before, there's going to be 5 predicted apps when you go to the app switcher. That's the first thing. Those apps are also going to be showing up in your app switcher as they were before. But now the phone is going to actually predict tasks that you may want to do within those apps, and it will present those in the app switcher and other places too. And it does this based on location, what time it is, whether your headphones are plugged in or not, and other factors like that. And there's also something called slices, where when you're searching for something such as Lyft, it won't just show search results saying Lyft, it will also show parts of the Lyft app, and will let you do things like ask for a taxi to go home right from search or to go to work. And this will save you having to actually go into the app to just order a taxi home. Feature number 4 is adaptive battery. So now the phone is going to look at what apps you actually use, and it's only going to designate the battery to those particular apps. So instead of the phone wasting battery on apps that you rarely use, it will see what times you use particular apps and will only use the battery life on them at those particular times. And then number 5 are features that come under what I like to call annoyance prevention. So these are features such as when you turn your phone, there's now going to be a rotation button that you have to actually tap for the phone to actually rotate, which I know I'm going to find really handy when using the phone in bed, for example. And now media volumes are the default, so you're not going to have to actually go and watch a video to be able to adjust the media volumes, or tap on the arrow that then brings you to the drop down menu where you can then adjust the media volume. And now turning your phone over on the desk will put it in do not disturb mode, which means that it wouldn't buzz or anything like that. I actually found myself turning my phone over so that I didn't see notifications, but now the fact that it's not going to buzz is a great feature that I'm pretty happy about. Oh, and by the way, do not disturb now also doesn't show visual notifications too. So if you don't want to see any notifications at all, you can now just go into do not disturb and you won't see any of them. And yeah, that's about it. Be sure to comment your favourite Android P feature down in the comment section down below. I am hoping to bring back a lot more technology videos into the future, although my animation channel is my main priority, but I do still want to make videos for this channel, but it's just about having the mind and really this time to do them when I'm busy with lots of other things. But they are hopefully coming, so subscribe to see those videos when they do come. And yeah, I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.